Welcome to the Learn to Sew Academy channel. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you.
Welcome back to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please remember to click the subscribe button and also remember to click on the bell icon so you know when I upload new videos. Today we're going to be working on a Flutter sleeve, and what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be cutting two sleeves together. I folded this into two, and then I'm going to fold this such that I have a cone shape. And when you fold this, it's going to depend on how wide you want the bottom of your sleeve to be. That's going to determine how much of the cone you fold. If you want it just a little, you may just fold a little cone like this. This right here is going to be the top, and this right here is going to be the bottom of the sleeve. So if you want something small, you may just fold a little bit like this, or you may pull it in some more if you want it bigger. So like I said, it depends on what you want to do. And then you also want to put into consideration the length of the sleeve that you're going to be making. For this, I'm going to be making a sleeve length of 15. But first, before I do that, I want to make sure that I have enough here to curve around to make my armhole curve. So to do that, you measure your armhole, and what I have here is approximately 13 inches, and that is what we're going to be using when we start to cut this out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this around real quick. So what you want to do is you want to measure to see that you're going to have around that 13 inches by the time you cut. Now again, what I'm doing here is a Flutter sleeve without using a pattern. So I'm going to measure from the top here, and I have 6 inches. So I'm going to cut out this 6. I'm going to mark the 6 inches, and I'm going to mark the 6 inches over here. So these are just like my baseline. Okay, so just do like a straight line. This is just again like a baseline for me to measure the length of my sleeves. And so I'm going to be needing 15 inches, and I'm going to add 1 extra inch for my allowances at the top and at the bottom. So that's my 1 extra inch. And this is dependent on what you want to do. You can do more than 1 extra inch for your hemming, depending on what you want to do. And it's just right here at the tip. So notice I'm just going from this point and I'm measuring my 16 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the lines like that to the end. Now that I've formed this, the next thing I want to do is, remember I said my armhole is 13 inches. So I want to roughly look for that 13 inches. And I have it around here. Again, we're just doing this freehand. So what I want to do now that I have this is I want to curve from here. And I want to do like an S. Just the way we'll do the basic sleeves, only that this time around we folded it in a different way. I'll link my video where I did a basic sleeve in the description. Check the description for that. So now this is what I have. So I'm going to now cut this out. I'm just going to follow this markings and cut out the Flutter sleeve now. So again, what we have done here is just to make this sleeve without using pattern. So now this is what the sleeve looks like, and this is what we're going to be having. So this is how you cut your floral sleeves without using a pattern. Thank you for watching this video. If this has been helpful for you, please remember to leave me a thumbs up, share our videos, invite your friends to watch our videos, and don't forget to subscribe and to click the like button. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.